So Leute, some people asked me about the Hexa Copter, so I will show it to you right now. I do this in English because more people understand me this way. The frame I designed myself. I use 1404 motors with 3800 kV. I'm running it on a 6S LiPo because the voltage stack is too high on 4S. It has a HGLRC AIO. That's the one from the Recon Y6. So it has 6 ESCs with 40 amp each. Also I'm rocking the Thumb 2 as an action cam, and the build is including the LiPo around about 300 to 320 grams. It's pretty fun to fly. I like it a lot. And the VTX is HDZero Whooplite with HDZero Nano V3 cam. Pretty fun. More fun than I expected when I first designed it. I like it a lot. I hope you like it too. If you want to see it fly freestyle, you can check my entry for the freestyle contest at Slappy FPV's channel. I linked the video in the description. I will win if you like it. But right now I'm like 30 likes behind the first place, so it will be hard. Link is in the description. Also, one thing about the Hexa Copter, it's like the favorite quad of my dog. He really likes it. You can see how he reacts to it. Yeah, he really likes it. Okay, let's fly. We have some snow, so we do a snow cinematic today. I put the darkest ND filter I found on it. Yeah, the dog really likes it. Was ist los, du? Yeah. Let's fly. I can't go very low to the ground because there are fences around. Also, I was told that you fly very slowly for cinematic, which is pretty boring. Not sure if I can do it for the entire pack. With HDZero I have to put myself in a good position, so I have good reception. I use 2 patch antennas on my goggles, so I really have to look the way I'm flying, basically. For example, if I go behind the tree line over here, I probably will have very bad video. But in winter it's okay, because there are not many leaves on the trees, which are the actual problem with reception. This tree is gigantic. It's insane. It's probably not looking that big, but it has like a 1 meter tree stump. I get about 5 minutes of flight time with a 6S 650 LiPo. I use the Dogcom Ucell ones, they are very good. Since we have good reception over here, I will fly over the trees, but not this way, because I can't judge the height. So really do like a short run like this. Flying into the sun. If it crashes here, I'm not getting it back, pretty sure. Now we dive down. It's very cold. I got here by bike and my fingers are frozen. Oh yeah, what I really want to do is a shadow shot of the quad. There's a fence over here, but I think if I fly slowly, I will see it. Yeah, there it is. There's another fence and there's two fences over here. So it's kinda hard to do a low flying shot. Let's see if we have fences over here. Yeah, we do it like this. Return here. Go low. Not with the shadow. The Hexa Copter. Special. Nice. And I'm at 3.6 still. So I will split as the giant tree over here. And that will probably kill the Lipo now. I found a spot with no snow for landing. I'm very curious about the Thumb too, if it can handle the snow. It's a ND24 that got shipped with it. I don't have any stronger ones, so we will see about that. Yeah, he really likes it. I will land on my backpack. Alright, 5 minutes and 50. Not bad for the cold.